Tapos na ako kumain. Now, pupunta ako ng bookstore. Check ako ng book doon. Weird. Di ko mahanap yung bookstore. Sobrang weird. Sobrang daming tao dito. As in, like this. Woo! Show arts and culture. I don't know if nag-grab ko ba siya here. Hello. This one?
So you want the painting?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. So we can choose a seat first. You want inside or outside? So how about this seat? Okay. So
对，看你要画什么都可以。图案的话，那边有参考就可以看。
I'll take your
Yeah. And so, done na sa painting session ko. Pinap ko na nga.